let's type Screen-O-Matic. It's very easy, and you will see the Screen-O-Matic link. Let's click it, and once we're there, um, we need just to click on the start recording for free. Wait a minute, you don't need to neither log in nor sign up. So let's go to the start recording for free. Let's click it. You don't need to buy anything. It's available on Chromebook, Mac, and Windows. Okay, so let's go to the launch free recorder. Is in English, of course. Let's launch it. Well, this is the first time, so nothing is gonna be launched. Can you see there is the message that there are no applications? I click outside, and then I'm going to download the application just this first time. Okay, I click on downloading because there's nothing to launch. Oh, good. Here I can see that 7 seconds, 2 seconds, the web launch.exe has downloaded into the download folder. I'm gonna click it here so the download window appears. I'm gonna click on the run button. Okay, and we just have to wait. It's very easy. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what is this. This is an application. Okay, like any other application. It's an app. Now the downloading is about to be over. When the downloading finishes, okay, what will happen is that the setting up will start. I want you to notice what is going to happen once the setting up is over. You will see a frame, okay, and everything that is inside that frame will be recorded. Look at this. Recorder will record anything that happens in this frame. Look at this frame. This frame is small, but you can customize it by dragging the button. You can customize it vertically, or you can customize it horizontally, or you just can customize it in both sides. Okay, you can make this bigger, wider, thinner, etc., etc. But you can also record the webcam. If you have a webcam attached, that's okay. I'm gonna click here. It's the same webcam we use every day. I'm gonna click OK, and this is what I have here. All right. What else? Oh yeah, the narration. Can you see that nothing appears on this bar? It's because I'm gonna click here and I need to select the microphone. There are many options. I know that my microphone is this, but if you don't know which option is your microphone, I want you to check each option until you find out which is the best one. So microphone here, I know that my microphone is this one. I'm gonna click it. As you can see, the bar is moving when I speak. I can auto adjust the volume, or I can adjust it by myself. Then I'm gonna record this. It's a test playback. I'm gonna click here, record. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Stop it. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. I'm hearing that here now. Okay, very nice. Okay, so I'm happy. I go back again to the gear icon. Oh, I still don't see bars here. I'm gonna click here once again and click back, and then I can see the bars that activate with my voice frequency. Let's record. Record what? The screen? Yes. I wanted to record how to download a YouTube video for this class, for this homework. So I'm gonna start with the rec button, and then you will explain the process. Okay? 1, 2. I'm gonna press the rec button. 1, 2, 3. Rec. 3, 2, 1. Recording. Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to select a video from YouTube, and we are going to download it into our computer. First of all, we go to YouTube, we click on the button, look at this video, I open the video, I select the video, stop the video, right click, copy the URL, and then I open the following downloader. I don't want you to open the downloader we had previously because there is offensive advertising. So what about this is a new one I got here for you. Okay, here, very nice. Here you're gonna press and paste and then click on the download button and the download will start. Yeah, pay attention. I'm gonna click on pause the recording. Okay, let me close this window. Now pay attention here. Look at this button of playing. This is a preview. You can preview what you have recorded so far. Okay, I'm gonna minimize the window so you don't get confused. Okay, pay attention. I'm gonna play the preview. Recording. Hello, welcome to this tutorial. I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna stop here. Look, I stopped before the preview was over. That means that if I stop in this section, I can still click on this button and split, continue the recording. So if I made a mistake when I was recording, I can preview it, go back and then clip it. Pay attention. You can truncate. Truncate means to clip what I don't want to cover. Okay, yeah, truncate it and I continue again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's over. Thank you, goodbye. Now I'm gonna stop this, and done means that I'm happy. So I click on done and click on save and upload. Very easy. Here's my recording with my voice, with my face. Wow. And that's what I want you to do. To do a screen record where you explain how to download a YouTube video. I repeat, I want you to create a screen record where you explain how to download any YouTube video. Okay? Do it. That's your homework. So I got it here. I'm happy, but I still can make it better because I can add music. Take a look. I'm gonna click here. Mr. The music will overlap your voice? No, definitely no. When you're talking, there are many categories I can choose. I'm gonna choose acoustic. When you're talking, the soundtrack or music lowers the volume. When I stop speaking, the volume goes up. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, easy going live. I'm gonna click it, importing the audio. Take a look. It's very easy. Remember, you can stop this video, going back and going forward as many times as you need so you can learn better. Okay, I got it. I don't know if you can hear. Recording. Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to select a video from YouTube. That's my recording. Okay, okay, I'm happy with my recording. So I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it in the cloud. Remember that we had to create a folder. Mi unidad, my unit, Americano Virtual. Pay attention. Computer Science, Term 2. Right click. I'm going to create a new folder. Control V, screen recording demo. That's the name. Enter. And inside this, I got a folder already. A screen recording demo. It's in the cloud. Okay. Google Drive file stream. Remember. So I'm gonna minimize this. Why did I do that? Because here, going back to the video file, I'm gonna change the name. The name is gonna be what I asked you to do, the screen recording demo. Okay, it's an MP3 folder. If you pay attention, it's an MP3 folder. In which folder you're going to save it, the recording? I'm gonna click on folder, and the folder box is open. But I don't want documents. I want Google File Drive Stream. Remember. So my unit again, Americano Virtual. Let's go to Computer Science. Remember Term 2, screen recording demo. Open it, and that's it. We click OK because there I'm going to save this recording, this MP4. I'm going to click on Publish, and the publishing the video file will start in the folder that we just specified. Okay, and that's what I want. Okay. When it's over, I want you to go to this Windows, pay attention, Americano Virtual, Computer Science, Term 2, screen recorder, right click, copiar enlace. Remember, right click, copiar enlace. Okay, and go to Americano Virtual, and here in week 14 homework you have to submit it. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you understood the idea of screen recording. Remember that you can stop this video as many times as you want. Okay, the screen recorder is over. I click on done, it's over, and everything closes. Can you see? Everything closes. But what if I want to do it again? Don't need to install it again. You got it here already. Can you see it? Look, take a look. I'm gonna click again to start it again. There you go. Opens and launch free recording again. But this time I'm not going to install it or to download it. It appears immediately. Okay? In Spanish. Wow, I don't know why, but that's okay. It's the same stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for this attention that you just paid to my video. Please, you can rewind and watch the video as many times as you need it. Thank you very much.